how to reset Messenger PIN code. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you that how to reset Messenger PIN code, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Now look at the bottom of your screen and tap the menu icon. That's the one with 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right corner. Once the menu opens, tap on Settings. This is where all your privacy and account controls are located. In the Settings menu, hit and select Privacy and Safety. This is where Messenger's security features are found. Now tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. This section manages encrypted conversations and PIN settings. Next, tap on Message Storage. This allows you to manage how encrypted messages are stored and accessed. Here, you'll see the option that says Reset PIN. Go ahead and tap on it. Messenger may now ask you to verify your identity. This could be your Facebook password, Face ID, or fingerprint, depending on your device and settings. Once you're verified, you'll be prompted to create a new PIN. Enter your new 4-digit PIN, confirm it, and you're all set. Your Messenger PIN is now reset. And that's how you reset your Messenger PIN step by step. If this helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you've got questions, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.